Okay, yesterday you have drawn. I said to you, there are three boxes are there. In the first box, by using two squares, what are the possible shapes you can draw? You draw, I said.
Yes.
In the second box, by using three shapes, what you can draw? You draw, I said.
Yes.
In the next box, I said, by using four squares. Karthik, you didn't draw that four squares. Why? Don't neglect the works. By using four squares, what you can draw, I said to you. What are the possible choices are there? All possible choices you draw, I said. Okay, different choices are there. You can draw like this. So four squares you can draw like this. Like this you can draw, no?
Yes.
So after drawing, now what I am saying to you, find the perimeter of them. Perimeter means you know that. For this shape, what is the perimeter? Boundaries you have to add it. These are the boundaries, no?
Yes.
What are the boundaries you see? This is first one boundary. 1,
2,
2,
3,
3.
4.
Here 2, 4 are there.
Yes. 5, 7,
1, 2, 3 centimeters. 8,
9,
9 and 10. 10 centimeters. So what is the perimeter of this shape? 10 centimeters. Okay. So not only like that, you can draw like this also. By using four squares, you can draw like this also. Can you draw like this or not?
Yes.
Four squares are used.
16 centimeters.
So now if you want to write out what is the perimeter of this, all boundaries you have to take it now. Take all the boundaries.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
So 16 centimeters. Okay, so many shapes you can form. You see, I can form like this also. You can form by using four squares like this also.
Yes.
Now what is the perimeter of this? So boundaries, all boundaries have to add now. What are the boundaries are there for this? 1. This is one boundary. How many centimeters? 2 centimeters. 3 centimeters. 5 centimeters. 6, 8.
9, 11, 12.
So what is the perimeter of this?
12 centimeters.
So like that, so many shapes you can draw. That all possible shapes you draw in your textbook. There are totally not enough. How many are possible? That much only you draw. Same no need to draw. Once you draw it in different angles, no need. Suppose this one you have drawn like this, no. Like this, opposite direction, no need to draw again. Like this, maybe you will draw. That is the same, no. Is both are not same?
Yes.
Like that, no need to draw. Which are not same, that only. Which are different, that only you draw. Not all, no need to draw. Okay, you understand? If anything miss, okay, no problem. How many are possible, that much you draw. After drawing, what is your work today? You have to find out the perimeters of them. You have to find out the... Not in this class. I have set to you as homework. If you don't do homework, how many completed homework? Okay. So today something you have drawn, we have to find it. Today you find all the perimeters. Okay. In your homework today you find all the perimeters. What you have to find? Perimeter. Perimeter means what is the meaning of perimeter? Boundary. Length of the boundary. All the boundaries what are there, that you all measure it and count it and write it. That is called perimeter. After writing perimeter, find area also. Area means yesterday we have discussed. How much space, how much place occupied? How much place occupied? You see here I am finding area. How much place this shape occupied? 4 boxes occupied, no? 4 boxes occupied it is. How many boxes it is occupied? Yesterday I said to you. How do you find out the area means I said small boxes you will take and you will count it. How many boxes will come? In this book I said to you. How do you find out by what I said to you? You will take the small square centimeter box and you will count it. How many boxes will come in this? That is called area, I said. Do you remember?
Yes.
That is called area. So how do you find out area? How many boxes are occupied it is? How many boxes occupied it is? 4 boxes. 6 boxes? 4 boxes. What boxes they are? I said to you. Boxes are different types. Yesterday I said to you. Boxes are different types. This much big. Millimeter square. Centimeter square. Meter square. Kilometer square. But here you are using centimeter square. What this is? That's why what you write here. You write like this. Reverse. Square centimeter. Square centimeter. Okay. Say what is the area of this shape? 4 boxes only. 4 boxes. What boxes they are? Square. So here what is the perimeter area of this? 4 boxes only. That's why what is the area of 4 Okay, we have to find it for 2 square boxes also. There are 3 boxes are there. But by using 2 squares, 1 we have done. By using 3 squares, 1 we have done. By using 4 squares, 1 we have done. Out of these all, for these all, you have to find the perimeters and areas. Perimeters and areas. You understand? Here one thing you observe carefully. Observe carefully. Here you see areas for all same only are there. Areas. For this, what is the area? 4 boxes. 4 boxes. For all 4 boxes only, no? Area is same everywhere. Area is same. But perimeter is same. Here it is 12 centimeters. For this it is 10 centimeters. For this it is 16 centimeters. So for this it is 8 centimeters. So you see it is like this I have given. So what is the perimeter of this? 4, 5, again 4, 9. This is 10. So what you got it? 10 centimeters. And what is the area of this if you take? 4 boxes only are covered, no? So what you write? 4 square centimeters. So means from this what do you understand? For these all shapes, area is same, but perimeter is different. Area is same for all, no? For this also 4 boxes, for this also 4 boxes, for this also 4 boxes, for this also. But perimeters are sometimes different, sometimes same. Okay, you understand? Will you complete that work? Already you have yesterday drawn already. For them today what should we find? You have to find for every shape. Perimeter, area. Perimeter, area. Perimeter, area. Perimeter, area. No need to write it, only just you find it. Oh, for all you write it. Write everyone for every picture. Here every picture you write like this. P is equal to A is equal to. P is equal to A is equal to. P is equal to A. Find the perimeters and areas. Okay, will you do that as homework? Okay, next. Okay, after completing that, you just come here. We are going to take a math textbook and you are finding how many match boxes will come on that. Okay, now I am not going to take the match boxes. I will take the eraser because match box is not available with you. I will take the eraser. How many erasers are coming? Can you find like that? Only cover, very good. So now first of all what I am going to do? I am going to find out the how many match boxes or how many erasers will cover the covered by the textbook. One textbook will cover how many erasers. So I want to find out. So what is the method is better you say to me one by one. So you give it, no need to say, don't say no. Give the box. So this is a box. So on this textbook, how many boxes will come like that? 1, 2, 3. Like that, I want to be calculate totally on the total textbook how many boxes will come. Which is the best method for that? First method I am saying, what I am saying, I can't catch the textbook here. That's why first of all I will trace the textbook on the board.
Yes.
I will trace the textbook on the
Good.
Shall I trace?
Yes.
So this is the textbook. I have traced the textbook on the board. So I want to find out the area of the textbook. Area means this is how much place is occupied by this. So area in terms of matchboxes. Here it is the matchbox first. Okay? Area actually in terms of what you are finding. Yesterday I said already to you. Area you will find in terms of square centimeters or square meters or square millimeters or square kilometers. According to size we will use I said yesterday.
Yes.
You remember?
Yes.
Suppose room size is there.
Yes.
Here these are very small centimeters.
Yes.
Then what you will take square meters? You will take.
Meters.
For Hyderabad,
Kilometers.
square kilometers you will take. Okay. For small, your eyelid inside eye black color. That is very small. That's what you will use millimeter. Square millimeter, not millimeter. Square. Squares you will use now. Okay. On this textbook, square centimeter you will use actually. But I am saying in terms of this. How many? These boxes. How many boxes will it cover? I want to find out. So what you will do? First you will measure it now. You will write it now. So first you will keep here. Okay? I kept here. So now what I will do? I will trace it now.
Yes.
So one box.
One.
Now what I will do again?
Two.
So two boxes. Again
Three.
3,
Four.
4,
Five.
5,
Six.
6,
Seven.
7,
Eight.
8,
Nine.
9 I got it.
Nine.
Okay. Again shall I take like this?
No, sir. No.
Not that much no need, no?
Yes.
Why? Because you know that one time 9 came means another time also
Nine.
9 only will come now.
Yes.
So that's why no need to take fully.
Yes.
Only what I will do now, I will take another one line only, one box only here. So means like this all 9 only will come now.
Yes.
That's why no need to draw that all 9. Next where should I draw?
Done.
Down like this only I will draw. Four, 5,
Six.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now how many will come like that means what will you say? These are 9, no? These are 10, 19. 90 or 19? 90. Why 90? Because you see in this first line 9 are there. Second line also 9 will come now. I didn't draw, but how many will come? 9 will come now. Like that third row, 9. Fourth row, fifth row, sixth row, seventh row, eighth row, ninth row, 10th row. 10 rows means 10 nines. 10 nines will become 90. 10 nines will become 90. So, what is it? How many boxes it is? What is the area of this means in terms of 90 eraser boxes? What is the area of the book?
90
eraser boxes. 90 eraser boxes. Okay, do you understand? What is the area of the textbook? 90 eraser
boxes.
You understand? Now we will use centimeter square. We will get centimeter square. Okay, same book. Now I am using how many centimeter squares will come. I will find it. So centimeter square paper I will take now. I will take the white paper and I will cut that. So centimeter square means you know how do you draw. How do you draw the centimeter square? You know how? Give one white paper to me, small white paper. Small paper. Okay, this is a small white paper. I am drawing here. I am taking 1 centimeter square here. 1 centimeter means you know that no? 1 centimeter like this. Again 1 centimeter like this. Again 1 centimeter like this. Now again 1 centimeter like this. This is called 1 centimeter square. So what I have drawn here, this is called 1 centimeter square. So what I have to do, I have to cut this small piece only. I want to know. Is there scissors with you? So I have cut that 1 centimeter square box. So we are measuring that area with 1 centimeter box. That is what? Square box. We are not using circles. We are not using triangles. Only we are using square. Do you know why?
Yes.
Why?
Circle will get.
If you keep the circles, what will come? Gaps will form, no?
Yes.
If you keep the triangles also, gaps will come, no?
Yes.
But when you keep the squares, gaps will come. Round area that in 7th class I will say it. Not now. Maybe he is saying like this box means okay, sir. But if the circle is there, how he is asking? See. Suppose your bosses are keeping means gaps are not there. If you keep circles here, what will happen? Gaps will come out. That's why we cannot find it. We cannot find the area perfectly. That's why square circles we are not taking. We are taking only squares. Suppose Sidhu is asking, suppose if the like the shape is there. Now we are keeping boxes. When we keep the boxes, gaps will come out somewhere around that. So means that in 7th class you will learn. No need to be worried about. Only we are learning only about these boxes only now. In this year only we are learning
Boxes.
now okay, this box. You can see now, small box. Like these boxes, how many will come? So I am going to draw here. Same like this, no? Eraser box, how we have done like that only, no?
Yes.
Now what should we do? We should keep here first. So we have to draw like this. So it is very looking difficult now to you.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
What is easy method? It is looking very difficult to me to keep this.
First we keep one box and we have
This all I am keeping is very difficult for me.
that was scale.
So when you are keeping like these boxes, it is very difficult, no? Because it is very small one. It is looking very difficult to you, know. One easy method shall I show to you? Shall I show one easy method?
Yes.
We will take the scale. We will take the
Scale.
scale and just we will mark it. Markings. I am keeping like this here. So you see, for every 1 centimeter mark. 1 mark, 2 marks, 3, 4, 5 centimeters,
6 centimeters,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12, 13, 14,
15,
16,
16, 17, 18, 19 came for me. So means what is the meaning of that? 19 boxes will come, no?
Yes.
19 is came means 19 boxes will come, no?
Yes.
So now what I am doing? I am not drawing boxes also.
Yes.
Why I need to draw the boxes? Simply I am measuring means so I can understand here. How many boxes will come like this? 19 boxes will come.
Yes.
Like this, how many boxes will come? You will check it. Is a long scale.
Yes, sir.
So like this, 19 boxes are coming, no? Like this, how many boxes are coming?
19.
Like this, how many boxes will come? We will check it. How? By using the scale now. You see, 1, 2, 3, up to 28 are there. 28 centimeters it is. Means how many boxes will come like this? 28 boxes. How many boxes will come? Actually, we will do marking like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 28 are there. So means like this 28 boxes. So like this 19 boxes. 19 boxes like that, 28 boxes like this. So how many will come means what should we do? 28 times no 19. Times means what should we do? Have to multiply it no? Plus. 19 or 19 or 19 or 19, 19 how many times? 28 times. Times means what should we do? Multiplication. If you are adding here, this much only you are adding. What about this gap? Are you finding this gap? So that's why what should we do? We have to multiply. 19, 19, 19, 19. How many times are coming? 28 times. 28 times 19. Times means what should we do? We should do the multiplication. Okay, 19 into 28. So we will do the multiplication. 19 into 28. 9 8 is 72, 9 2 is 18 and 7, 15. So 25. One table 28. 2, 532. What is the area of that?
532
boxes. Which boxes? Centimeter box. Centimeter box. Squares. Centimeter squares. So 532 centimeter squares is the area of the mathematics textbook. You understand now? How do you find out the area? So instead of drawing these boxes also, no need to draw also. Just you measure it. Now I am saying to you, find the area of this box. Can you say to me how do you find the area of this box? We will draw the boxes like that.
No.
Drawing is needed.
No.
What you will do? We will measure it now.
Yes.
To measure it here, how many boxes will come like this? You can measure. Count it. 17 is there up to here. Means how many boxes will come? 17 boxes will come like this. Like this, how many boxes are coming? 20 is there. So how many boxes are coming here? 20 boxes like this, 20 like this, 17. So what should we do? How many boxes will come in? 20 into 17. 17 to the 34. So 340 boxes. 340 boxes. Box means what? Square. Which square it is? Centimeter. So what is the area of this one? 340 centimeters.
Square centimeters.
Do you understand now?
Yes.
How do you find out the area?
Yes.
No need to draw the boxes like this.
Yes.
Only by measuring one side like this, one side like this, we will measure and then we will multiply. Okay, clear? Do you understand or just sitting and
Understand.
suppose you see here I have drawn this box. So what is the area of this box he asked me? So how do you find it, say to me? How do you find? Actually, how to find it? How many boxes will come? The small boxes. But is it difficult? Is it easy to arrange it?
No.
That's what you will do. Say to me, what should we do first? Scale taken. Which one I have to measure? Up to. So here, how many boxes will come? I will check it. 22. Up to 22 is there here. Means what is the meaning of that? 22 boxes. Here, 8 is coming. Means what is this? 8 boxes. Means how do you find that?
22
22 into 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. 170. So 176 you should not write only. Do not write that. What is that? Boxes no.
176 centimeter.
Which boxes they are? Centimeter.
176 square centimeter.
You understand?
Yes.
So how do you measure the area of the room?
Meters.
Meters no. Meter boxes no. That's why here meter boxes also you can't make it no. That's what you will do. You will measure it. How many meters will come like that? How many meters will come?
Like
Here 6 meters will come.
yes.
There 4 meters will come. Then what you will say? Like the 6. Like the 6 boxes. Big boxes no.
Yes.
Like the 6 boxes. Like these 4 boxes. We will multiply 6 and 4. 6 4s are 24. So what is important meaning here? 24. 24 meters. Very good. You understand? You understand how to find area?
Yes.
Okay. So today just you do the what the work I have given to you. Yesterday what you have done, further defined the perimeter and
area.
enough. Okay.
Okay.